It's Margarita, and we are back with something special for the men. And this time we are taking it to the house of Hermes with Equipage. We are taking it back to 1970. So funny because I am new to this fragrance house. I've heard of Hermes and I have yet to smell anything that I like enough to keep for myself from this house. Same with my special guest. You know him as Mr. Man. Macy's and I have been having our thing with their one-day sales, and I went ham on the fragrances and got some things for the men because I wanted to open it up for him and see some of the things that he may like. And hopefully we find something that he likes. But right now we're batting 1,000 with the dislikes. But this fragrance comes in the signature Hermes orange box, and we are unboxing on camera. So these are going to be first impressions. I apologize if the mic is picking up the crinkling of the plastic. It's a beautiful bottle. It looks just like their signature bottles. And it's got the equestrian on the inside with the gentleman trying to mount the horse. So I'm going to hand this to my better half and let him try this on. He's like really apprehensive about spraying this bottle.
There we go.
And while that's drying down, let me read the notes. Brazilian rosewood, nutmeg flower, clary sage, aldehydes, bergamot, orange, tarragon, marjoram, carnation, pine tree needles, cinnamon, lily of the valley, jasmine, hyssop, liatris, oak moss, vetiver, patchouli, tonka bean, musk, vanilla, and amber. Now, before I even smell this, it sounds like it smells horrible. It's a bunch of seasonings in there. Like a lot of things I have in my spice cabinet are listed in that fragrance, and there's so many notes that it's almost concerning, like something could possibly go wrong. But what do you think? Well, how's it smelling on you so far?
Well, first impression is uncle. It dries down a little bit better, but it still makes me feel like I should have on a smoker's jacket and should be sitting at the table with Hugh Hefner talking about what the next move is.
So kind of like the previous Hermes fragrance that we tested. So Hermes has been around for hundreds of years, and they're a heritage house. And I'm guessing what he's saying in a nutshell, it is designed for people who may have been around when the house first started. Let me smell it. Okay, this is Chanel No. 5 for men. That is what that is. And I did see aldehydes listed as one of the notes. Now, Chanel No. 5 is known for being very aldehydic. In fact, aldehydes are the main note. And yes, when he leaned that up, oh my God, it smells so soapy. It is like, it's soap. It's basically soapy. So if you like a soapy fragrance that's a bit mature, go for it. It is literally the men's version of Chanel No. 5. I have a funny story about me and my best buddy Karma, who you've seen on the channel in a couple videos. We went to Macy's. We spent a lot of time there, have you noticed? And we tried Chanel No. 5 last winter. I had never smelled it, even though it's been around for 100 years. And we were like, oh, cool, Chanel No. 5. We rode home in the snow with the windows down because it smelled so bad. Oh my goodness. If you wear Chanel No. 5, no shade to you, it just wasn't for us. And clearly it's not for him either. But if you are a man who is looking for something that is less feminine than Chanel No. 5 but smells practically like it, go for Hermes Equipage. But it's a no from me. And what about you?
Absolutely not.
And an absolutely not from Mr. Man. But let us know what your favorite Hermes fragrance is. And if you're a man, if you like Chanel No. 5 and now are interested in this, because it seems like the men's answer to it, talk about it in the comments. Also, like and subscribe to our channel because we talk about it all. And until next time, I am Margarita. He is Mr. Man. And you have an awesome day. Bye.
Toodles.